Hi Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for the month of July 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Capricorn, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection for the month of July 2021. Also Capricorn, please know that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you Capricorn, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate for you to share, like and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. So let's look at into the reading here Capricorn. On this side here is your energy, and then on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now looking at the sign that I'm getting coming up for you here Capricorn, I'm getting a very strong earth energy, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces, and then I'm also getting a very strong fire energy here as well, Aries, Leo or Sagittarius. You could have any of those signs in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs in their chart. Looking at your energy here Capricorn, I've got the Eight of Swords, I've got the Sun, and then I've got the King of Cups here. With the overall energy I've got here is the King of Pentacles. So let me start with the energy of the Eight of Swords. I feel like in the past, and this past could be far back into the past, could also be like a recent past here. I'm getting a very strong feeling trap energy coming up here from you Capricorn. So I feel like for some reason, or at least for a period of time here Capricorn, you've been feeling a little bit stuck, or you've been feeling a little bit trapped within yourself and within your mind here. And I feel like the reason why you're feeling stuck or you're feeling trapped within your mind here, because of how the connection has been going on between both of you, or this whole situation has been going on between both of you here Capricorn, in a sense that you haven't seen a lot of movement, you haven't seen a lot of things happening between both of you, yet at the same time here you could not shake off the feelings that there is this huge intuition, I would say here, or there is a huge gut feeling that you've been getting from your person. You could also call it as telepathy messages here. It's like every time before you go to bed, or even like after you wake up here, as much as you try to not think about them here, you always get some messages, you always get some feelings that out of nowhere you could be feeling down, out of nowhere you could be feeling like frustrated or anxious. And most of the time that Capricorn, I feel like you are picking up from your person energy here. Now another thing that I've got here is that with this King of Pentacles energy here, one good thing here Capricorn, I've seen a lot of transformation coming up from within yourself. With this King of Pentacles energy here, you are standing in your power. So this is definitely a very good thing, in a sense that you do understand that it may take a little bit some time for things to just like fall into places, or at least for your person to go through the healing, to go through the challenges within themselves here. As much as you would like things to happen as quickly as possible, at the same time here you're also focusing on yourself, even though you might not feel this, even though you might feel that, okay, why is it that I haven't really I couldn't really forget about them, and I keep thinking about them here. You might be thinking in that way, but on your energy level here Capricorn, I've seen a lot of transformation, and I'm getting that you are becoming more grounded and more mature than yourself during the separation, even like few months back here. So this is definitely a huge progress coming up for you here. The same thing as well here within your emotion, I would say here Capricorn. So I'm getting a lot of stability coming up here, as well as a grounded energy from your mentality as well as from your emotion. Yes, there are sometimes some challenges is there here, but overall energy I'm getting here is that a huge transformation happening. Now with this King of Cups energy here, even though I've got this for your energy, I feel like this is mostly is your person energy here. I feel like at this point of time, the battle that your person is currently going through here is that within their emotion, I would say here, they are having this very strong conflicted energy of their own emotion and of their own feeling towards you. Another positive thing that I've got coming up for you here, Capricorn, is that with the sun energy, this is basically talking about ultimate happiness and ultimate success. So no matter what happened, no matter what is currently going on in your life, in your romantic and in your love situation here, I'm getting a lot of happiness and success will definitely be there in your life. Now let's look at into your person energy here, Capricorn. It's quite interesting because I've got the 10 of Wands, the 5 of Pentacles, and then I've also got the 5 of Cups coming up here as the overall energy. I'm getting a very strong feeling of hopelessness, alone. I won't say alone, it's more it's not lonely, it's more like being alone. And then I'm also getting a very strong regretful, and I'm also getting a very strong guilty energy coming up here, which is also why I've got the 10 of Wands energy coming up here. They are carrying a lot of burden and a lot of baggages within themselves, especially on how they have treated you in the past here, Capricorn. And this is what triggering the regretful, triggering the guilty energy here, and as well as triggering the alone energy coming up from them here. I feel like they do know that you are still there for them, that you're still waiting for them, and if they come towards you, if they open up towards you here, you would still accept them, but their ego is not allowing them to do. And this is why I've got the 5 of Pentacles here. Like there are a lot of conflicted energy I'm getting here. They are going back and forth about how to approach you, about how to communicate with you here. Fear, regretful, and yeah, just guilty are the major causes of it here. They do want to communicate with you here, but they like I said, kind of like back and forth and just like hesitant. They're being really hesitant on communicating with you and to start this communication with you here, Capricorn. And with this 10 of Wands energy here, this is also another reason why there is a little bit delay in their own journey, I would say here, in their own journey to come towards you here. Because with all of these baggages, and the origin of the baggages here is what like I said, with this King of Cups energy, their own emotion is the biggest enemy at this point of time here. They couldn't really find a way to make peace with their regret and with their guilty energy here. But eventually things are definitely going to turn out better, because deep down they do want to be with you. Deep down they want to have a family with you here with this 10 of Cups energy, which both of you are definitely going to have as well. Happy home, happy family, and happy relationship. This is what has been their dreams for so long, I would say here. Capricorn. Now looking at the channel messages here, I've got I know I made a mistake, and then I've got forgive and let go. So yeah, like I said, they want to approach you and they want to apologize to you here. They want to tell you that, hey, look, I'm sorry about how things went down between both of us, and I would like to like restart thing again. But they are being really hesitant to even start the communication with you here, Capricorn. And then I've also got be grounded in faith. So one thing is certain here is that they do want to be with you, and they are actually coming towards you here. It's just that the whole process is being delayed at this point of time here. A little bit of slow movement and delay will be there because of their own pace and because of these baggages and burden that they feel within themselves here, Capricorn. So that's it for your reading. I hope you resonate. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.